Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Light green color, red color, purple color, yellow color, brown color, light pink color, sky blue color, dark green color, dark pink color, orange color, black color, dark blue color. This is dark green color. Let's draw the shape. Left side arrow. Rectangle. Star. Triangle. Pentagon. Rhombus. Orange color. Left side arrow. Orange color. Black color. Rectangle. Green color. Rectangle. Purple color. Star. 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 Purple color. Dark blue color. Triangle. Triangle. Dark blue color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Yellow color. Dark pink color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Dark pink color. Orange color. Rhombus. Rhombus, orange color. Orange color, black color, green color, purple color, dark blue color, yellow color, dark pink color, orange color. Left side arrow, rectangle, star, triangle, pentagon, rhombus. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.